Hey everyone, welcome back to GuideFolio. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of importing a theme into WordPress and resolving common issues such as the theme installation failed error. This error typically occurs when the wrong theme zip file is being imported. When importing theme zip files, it's crucial to use only the installable WordPress installation files. For instance, let's take a look at my ThemeForest account, where I've purchased a WordPress theme. If I click on the download dropdown, you'll notice several options. The only one you should select is the installable WordPress files only. Choosing the All Files and Documentation option will likely result in the aforementioned error message when installing the theme. To demonstrate, I'll download the installable files and then upload them to my WordPress site. After clicking Install, you'll see the theme install successfully. And that's all there is to it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to GuideFolio, and ring that bell for notifications. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.